don't do too well with apologies. I hope I don't run out of time, can someone call a referee? Cause I just need one more shot, have forgiveness. I know that I made those mistakes maybe once or twice. And by once or twice I mean maybe a couple of 100 times. So let me redeem on myself tonight. Cause I just need one more shot, second chances. Yeah. Is it too late now to say sorry?